going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 700 V3 Faded Carbon. Let's get into it.
This is Music.
First, you got the same normal 700 box. It says 700 on the top of the box. On the front of the box, it says Yeezy 700 made by Adidas. But then we're going to get to the front of the box and it reads Yeezy 700 V3. And the colorway is Fade Car, Fade Car, Fade Car. Let's get into the inside. We're going to pull open up inside the box. You got the same pull-out box with this light cream tissue paper going on the inside of the box. But let's get into the main ingredient of the video. And that is the Yeezy 700 Fade Carbon. Alright, first of all, I would like to say this right here is a beautiful shoe in my opinion. I like it. I like the colorway. I like how it's different. I like the way it fades from the purple to the red going on to the back of the shoe. Just a very nice shoe that's just different. Like, I like different shoes, and this right here, this is a different shoe. It's a Yeezy 700. As we all know, it's not as comfortable as the regular Yeezy 700s, V1s and V2s, because it doesn't have the boost in it. But these are the V3s, and they have that it's not the boost in it, but just because it's not boosting this one, it still is very comfortable. But you can tell the difference from the usual Yeezys that do have a boost. But other than that, still a very nice shoe. If you don't own any Yeezy 700 V3s, I would recommend you getting a pair, because they're just very nice, and they are comfortable. Even though they don't have that boost, they still are a very comfortable shoe. But let's get into the aspects of the shoe. First, we're going to start out with the side of the shoe. As we can see, it starts off with this nice dark purple that's fading in all the way to the back of the shoe. That's turned into a nice red color going on to the back of the shoe. And I like the way it fades down to the bottom of the heel, all the way to the back of the heel. Stops all the way at the end of the heel of the shoe. You see that it got that nice Adidas symbol right here on the bottom of the heel of the shoe, which is nice still. We're going to talk about the side of the shoe. You got this nice, I would say it's like a grayish material color going on the side of the shoe. Also, on the top of the toe of the shoe, you got this nice grayish color. It's like I would say like it could be a dark gray, but it could also be like a dark khaki colorway. It's kind of like a mixture, like a mauve colorway. So it's very nice texture. Either way it goes with the colorway of the shoe. You got these black interlock laces right here that it got the pull tab on it. Doesn't have you don't tie them as normal, but if you don't like these laces right here, it does come with an extra set of laces, which are the regular ones that you can put in there if you like to tie your shoes. Me personally, I like to keep these in because I like to just slip them on and go. I don't have to worry about tying those shoes or anything. But a lot of people like to tie their shoes, and they like the way that the tying shoe looks better with it. But in my opinion, I like these better. So to each his own on which way you like to do. I just like to pull it and keep going. Most of the time you don't even have to pull it, because once you put it on, you're good to go. So I mean, it's totally up to you how you like to do it. We're gonna get to the bottom of the shoe. You got those nice brown hints of rubber on the bottom of the shoe with those different little pods on the bottom of the shoe also. That's fade into that I would say light khaki colorway. Like I said, it could be a light khaki or it could be like a very light gray. It's like in between those two colors, so pretty different, but just nice overall on the shoe. Inside the shoe says Yeezy. I don't know if you can see it, it's just in black. Yeezy with the Adidas symbol on the back of the inside of the shoe. You still got those translucent sides. I don't know if you can tell, but actually you can see like right between, if you can see my hand back there, you can see in between it back there. But you can't really see it a lot because it's still got these dark on the outside, but it is still a translucent going on the side. I think they glow in the dark. I haven't put my black light on it, but I know they glow in the dark. So when I do my own foot, I'll show y'all how they glow in the dark on the sides of the shoe. Just a very nice touch to the shoe if you like the aspect. To me, it really doesn't matter to me if they glowed or not. I like them regardless. So, but it's just an extra nice touch to the shoe. This was the right shoe. Let's get to the left shoe. Looks the same exact way. You got that dark purple that's dying, that's fading all the way back to the back of the shoe to that red, all the way back to the back of the heel with that nice Adidas symbol right here with that red going on the back of the heel of the shoe. You're gonna flip just to the bottom of the shoe. You got those nice hints of brown on the bottom with those pods on the bottom. No boost. You got that electrolyte on the bottom. Still very comfortable even though there's no boost in it. But you can tell the difference from the Yeezys that do have the boost. So if you are all in for just for comfort, I would say I wouldn't get these if you just only want comfort in a Yeezy, because these are not the most comfortable of shoes. But if you like them for style and you're gonna wear them for a while, not just to be wearing them all, well, I wear mine all day and I'm fine, but it just depends on you. If you like comfort with the boost, then I would, like I said, they don't have boost in them. So it's totally up to you what you think about the shoe once you put it on. But when you put them on, like I said, it's still a very comfortable shoe and don't hurt my feet at all. Sizing wise, I would still do go half a size up, or I would say go up a full size, because they do fit very tightly around this part of the shoe on the size of your shoe, just because it has that thick material going on right here. So once your foot in there, it's like locked in. So I would go either half a size up or a full size up, totally up to you. I mean, if you want to go true to size, it might be a little tad bit tight, but if you would like that extra room, go half a size up and you should be good to go. Still the same as on the heel. You got that nice gray khaki material going on the top of the shoe. It's like a nice rubber right here. It comes with this little tag that just says Yeezy 700 V3. That's just a tag that's on mostly all the Yeezys when you get them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this shoe. Just a very nice colorway. Like, I know they had the faded, this is the faded carbon. They had another one that was faded. I didn't really like that one. So once I saw this one, I was like, man, that's different. And I like for them to change, Yeezy to change up his shoes instead of having all those same neutral colors. This was like a totally different colorway and just brought it out. And just a very nice shoe, period. So, but y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them? I know they retail for $210, but I think you probably can. If you wait a while, you might be able to get them on the aftermarket for under retail, just because the 700 V3 is not as popular as all the other Yeezys. But like I said, still a very comfortable shoe. I like the shoe, just very different. If you look for different, then hey, these are the way to go. But yeah, that's pretty much it for these. This is a Yeezy 700 V3 faded carbon. Y'all let me know down in the comments what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them? If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.